The judges are judging.
I guess I'm
Qualia School.
Perpetual commotion. Is that the name of the robotics? Like, not robotics. Definitely robotics.
Quite the machine. Oh no!
Move.
Sorry. Oh no, everything. And then it activates it, and then sends the pulley up, and the dog gets fed. So this is Jim's workshop, and look at that. I like the wind-up mouse. That's funny. Qualia Schools, Rube Goldberg entry.
If you're ready, you just need to start it. You don't have to do the preamble if you don't want to.
Okay. I didn't get any video. I'm ready.
You ready, sir? On your mark, get set, go.
Nice. Awesome. You guys had a great run.
You ready? Yeah. Set, go. On your mark, get set, go.
Goldfish.
Pull the left side.
Pull the left side too.
Left side.
Yeah,
Pull both sides.
Pull the left side more.
Okay.
Oh, never mind. All right, it's not.
He's good. That's good, guys.
Yeah, just. All right.
Okay.
When you're ready.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Get set, go.
Let go.
The other side.
I didn't hear it, so.
Are we ready? Yeah.
Okay, then let me know.
Take two.
Today we tell the story of Alice and her pet Mickey who got lost in the new Wonderland, and then Alice finds Mickey having a tea party without her.
You can just turn it. That's okay. Woo! Off with the bread.
Okay, sure.
Go ahead.
So,
How about we get some out of here?
You don't have to touch it. Just point at it and tell me what it's supposed to do.
okay, so this is what we're supposed to drop the book first. Then there's supposed to be a car.
Mm-hmm.
It runs into this golf ball. It goes and makes like a little roundabout way.
Mm-hmm.
Pours the salt into this tunnel right here. That's supposed to land here. And then tip this. So, you see this? It's supposed
Yeah.
to get out of the way so the golf ball can run into this, hit this, and goes this way, falls that way, and it lifts the mouse up. And then that would hit the ball, that little ball over there.
And then it comes out here
And then it like makes you can cut bread basically.
because it weighs it down on this side.
Yeah, basically, yeah.
Okay, and then it cuts the bread.
Yes.
I love your setup. It's
I
so
love it too.
fabulous.
It could be better, but I love it.
No, it could be. It is perfect. Could be no better.
I know you just need it.
And now, like, what's this?
This was supposed to be a part of it. It's supposed to be like a Newton's cradle, but it didn't work
Oh,
out.
Newton's cradle.
Yeah.
Oh,
It
nice.
didn't work out. I don't know.
I love that you guys did so much for it.
Yeah.
You know.
And that one was supposed to be part 2. It was supposed to be like a tunnel through Mad Hatter's head.
Oh.
You want me
oh,
to show you? Oh, she's holding it. So yeah.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
No brains.
No, right. Exactly.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Well, I'm glad it made it into the setup. You know, I love it.
We worked so hard.
So perfect, you guys.
All right, this is our Qualia Rube Goldberg machine. We are in Uncle Jimmy's weird, wacky, and wild workshop. Uncle Jimmy has left to get some supplies, and Violet over here has been holding up that thing for I have no idea how long.
Okay.
Oh dear.
And I think she's getting pretty tired, and her friends are also here. So, and she promised to, like, hang out with them. Come over. Hang out.
Oh dear.
Oh, you dropped something.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Crap.
Okay.
It's okay.
We didn't.
Oh, nice.
Go.
That's it.
Oh, awesome. Awesome. Thank you. Tell me what happens.
So, at the beginning, we launch our machine.
Using the syringe.
It pushes water and pushes. It launches the plane, and as it flies, the plane pulls out the knife. The ball rolls down the machine.
The plane.
Pulls out a knife here. The ball was over here, so the ball once the knife is over here,
I see.
and then the knife is over here, and the ball is over here. So when the knife goes out, the ball drops down.
Uh-huh.
The ball drops down. This pulley activates, lifting this into an inclined plane, which the car and then the car goes down. After the car goes down, it turns the gear slip, which pushes another car. The car hits these batteries, causing the water bottle to pour through the funnel. Inside here, there's paper here. There's filter paper down there, and a sugar cube with erosional energy. And there's also a food coloring in there, which causes it to turn a different color when it comes out.
Huh.
Then the ball rolls down, it hits this kick, which hits this lever, another lever, then the car goes down here. This activates the music. It activates the music. And the ball releases over here. The ball hits the pendulum. The pendulum hits this wooden block down. Then the skateboard goes down and hits the ball. The ball travels through the maze, hits this spatula which hits the salt shaker, which pulls a piece of wood off here, which lets the ball go through the screw.
That's crazy. It went through the
screw. Yeah, this ball.
slinky.
This ball. This that
Can.
The can goes down, hits the ball, which hits this, and this pushes the car to pop the balloon.
Nice. I like that.
Penny now has
And feeding the penguin his Penny pet penguin birthday fish. Take 3.
Everybody who is here wanting to be here. I think we're all ready.
Wait. Make sure you get the go from the judges.
Judges ready?
On your mark.
Whoa, hold on. What?
No, that's not the name. I see the name right there.
What?
I can't tell.
Yeah.
No, it's fine. All right. I think everything is in place.
Okay, you ready?
I think so.
On your mark. Get set. Go.
Woo! Fido's been fed. Innovative inventors.
Really, if you feel like you're shouting, that's just right. You have to talk loud because there's a lot of going on in here. Yeah. In place, all right. All right. On your mark, get set, go.
Hi, my name is Aditi and my name is Anika. We are Team Innovative Inventors. And this is our machine, P2P2, or Pet Penny's Birthday Bash. We will be doing a presentation, a skit for our presentation. Also, we will do a grand reveal of our pet at the end of our run. Thank you. We hope you enjoy. As you have all guessed, it is my pet Penny's birthday today. No. Who could be at the door? Who's there? You followed me. Oh, it is probably Kira the koala, Penny's best friend. Come on, Kira. Thank you for inviting me. Penny and I have been best friends since we met at Phillip Islands in Australia. Wow, the jaguar is so good. I'm sure she'll love it. Is it a surprise? Yes. Decorating the room was as easy as a piece of cake, and I had a whale of a time doing it. Speaking of cake, the cake for Penny's birthday party is almost baked and ready. Let me dip the candy cherry into the sprinkle jar to put it on the cake. Here's a piece of chocolate. Oh, I just realized it's only an hour till Penny's birthday. The gears are turning in my head. How can I help? Let's make some lemonade, and I called some Penny's other friends too. Oh, I see their car posters. How about we play some music and have some fun with party games? I hope no one lets the cat out of the bag. Rain or shine, let's get this party started. Thank you for listening to our presentation.
Okay, nice. All right, on my word, I will tell you when. On your mark, get set, go.
And the pet is
Our favorite pet, Penny the penguin!
oh yay!
Okay.
So where does it start?
It starts,
The human activation starts with Violet over here. She's behind. Dropping this. And it's kind of split
Okay, she's
in two.
dropping it from behind.
Yeah, there are 2 strings.
Okay.
I'll go over this half first.
Okay. Go ahead.
It goes like this.
Okay. All right. Let's do this again.
All right,
Sorry.
so the first step is the human. The
human.
over there is holding that string up. They drop it, which lands on these two things. So there's a bracket in place, which we're hanging tools on, but that one puts it at a slant. So basically it falls onto that rat trap, which is basically being used as a lever. The lever turns the power on, which that pump over there, it pumps in the red water, sprays it into here, and then as it gets heavier and heavier, it pulls down. This goes up because this is down. So once it goes up, it pulls this box up. The box, when it goes up, it has to straighten out. So the rat falls out, this rat right here, and it's a wind-up rat. So when it goes, it starts scurrying away on the floor. And attached to this rat is a string, and on the other end of that string, as you can see here, right here, and then there's a nail in it. The nail is very loosely in this, so when it scurries away, it pulls the nail out, sends this flying. It hits this thing,
The lever.
this lever, which activates the mouse trap, and that mouse trap pulls this switch. So that's one half is an AND gate, basically.
Right.
One half of the equation, so one half is solved. To turn on the drill. And then here on the other side, there's a rat right here.
Right.
So when it falls, since this is at a slant, the rat will, because of gravity, will fall into here. And this is a set mouse trap, so it will activate this, then this one, then this one, then this one, chain reaction. And as you can see here, there's a rope attached to this one. And that rope, when it falls, will be pulled, letting this wheel spin down. It will hit that mouse trap all the way over here. And when that mouse trap is hit, then it lets go of this, meaning this hammer right here. It moves down, swings really fast, hits this machete. Basically, with this machete, it's an electro machete. It's the power of lightning. There's a one of those currents. These clips in, and that clip is connected to
The drill battery.
right here. This drill battery.